So, Meta and YouTube vowing to appeal the jury's verdict that their apps intentionally cause harm to children. Meta's chief legal officer sat down with Kayleigh McEnany. Watch.
We do not believe that our platform is responsible for the teen mental health crisis in this country. We have, on the contrary, we think we've done a lot to try to protect kids and ensure that they have a positive experience on the platform, and so we're going to keep fighting these cases. It's not going to be the payday that the plaintiffs' lawyers would like it to be.
There will be likely many more cases with already thousands of open lawsuits across the country and county. The lead attorney for the plaintiff in the landmark social media trial, Mark Lanier, joins us now. Counselor, thanks so much for joining the program. Congratulations on a hard-fought battle. I do want to read this statement from the Wall Street Journal in their editorial. They said this: trial lawyers will now use the LA verdict in advertisements to recruit more plaintiffs. They may even use the social media platform to advertise. Unemployed, depressed, spend your Friday nights scrolling. You could make big money by holding billionaires responsible for your problems. The social media shakedown is a victory for the plaintiff's bar, not for children or society. What's your reaction to that editorial?
Well, that's good spin, I guess, for the companies, but it's not the truth. The simple truth of the matter is, if we don't hold these companies accountable for purposefully addicting children to their platforms to enrich their coffers, nobody will. They've got too much control over the legislative process to get any hope for any substantial legislation. Great senators like Josh Hawley have been fighting for legislation, but it goes nowhere. And so we've got no choice but to hold them accountable. The bottom line is they will win every case in court if they are responsible. But when they purposefully put features in to addict preteen minds and they target the children with addiction, someone's got to hold them accountable.
I guess, Mark, what a lot of people would ask in return to that, Counselor, is aren't there a lot of companies doing the exact same thing, the food industry, other corporations that want you addicted to their product? That's how they make an overhead. Make a profit.
Yeah, Lawrence, it's an interesting thing. The question is, are those products things that destroy people? I mean, tobacco would love you addicted to their products. Are we going to let them purposefully market to children and try and get children addicted? No. Why? Because tobacco is destructive to your health. Well, in the same way, the studies are replete that you take a developing mind of a preteen and a teen, and you get them where they'll spend 10, 15 hours a day on social media, where the social media platforms will ping them in the middle of the night and wake them up on a school night so that they scroll for 2 hours in the middle of the night. That's outrageous. It hurts the developing brain, and it does do a great deal of destruction. And the wild part is, these companies internally have the documents that show it. They know it, and they push it anyway.
Counselor, should we just have the kids off of social media, period?
There are some benefits of social media. There are some times where YouTube may actually be a help. There are some ways that social media can be used responsibly. We're not saying shut down social media. What we're saying is don't purposefully make it addictive so you can increase your viewership and the time spent just to make more money. You see the latest development where Meta is now looking to increase by trillions of dollars the pay to their executives if they can increase the value of the company over the next 5 years. It's okay to grow. The business of America is business, but not at the expense of our children. That's the problem.
Counselor, I'm curious, what's been the reaction from your client? Was she satisfied with the dollar amount in the ruling, even though it's going to be an appeal?
Yes, she felt some measure of vindication. It was interesting. Her immediate reaction was just one of gratitude. Thank you that you heard me. The defense in the case was not so much, hey, we don't addict. The defense in the case was, oh, you'd have had a bad life anyway. Just blame the victim. Anybody who's going to spend time on social media like that, it's got to be all your fault. And so she felt a measure of vindication. I think it was about that more than the money, candidly.
Just real quick, because I only got like 30 seconds. Counselor, do you have more clients that you plan on filing lawsuits immediately?
Lawrence, we will file some more, but generally, I was just hired to try this case. I'm not one of the deepest involved lawyers who are holding these cases.
So I'm sure you're going to be getting that is the measure of success for a lawyer. Sir, thanks so much for joining the program.
Hey, great show today. Thanks.
Thank you, sir. So be sure to catch the full interview with Kayleigh McEnany and the Meta's Chief Legal Officer. That's this Saturday at 10 Eastern Time.
Be sure to like and subscribe for all the Fox News latest on YouTube and catch full shows streaming now on Fox One.